Hey everybody and welcome back. Well, it's July 2nd. You know what that means, right? It means that the closing date for the MH Tutorial 3D Modeling Challenge closed yesterday, alright? So it's time to vote. Let's jump in. Alright guys, before we look at the entries and get into the voting bit, I want to take a moment to thank Chervenka for making this a very awesome thumbnail for this video. It's a blacksmith workplace and it's top notch as always. Now Henry won this challenge several times and he is now one of the jury members, so Henry, thanks again. Right, so now it's time to jump into the entries. Now keep in mind that you can vote up until the 15th of July and then the professional jury will have a look based on your results and vote, and the winner will be announced on August 1st, okay? So let's jump in and see what we got. Here we go.